Has your air conditioning suddenly stopped working? Have you noticed signs that your ventilation is out of whack, such as some rooms in your home being much hotter than others? Dealing with these types of problems can put your family in a miserable situation as you try to cope. But why try to deal with it all? Ignoring these problems could end up costing you a lot of money on increased energy bills, as well as additional unexpected repairs later on. You need the help of a certified cooling specialist that can quickly determine what's causing the problem and correct it right now. With our services, you can be rest assured that we'll get your home temperatures back to normal fast without hurting your budget. Tired of suffering in the comfort of your own home? Call us today for a free, no-obligation estimate.